Hey guys, welcome to my tutorial. This tutorial is for NetApp. What the video will show is how to install NetApp System Manager, how to add a storage system to our manager, how to access the storage via PuTTY, and finally some useful commands which can be used for managing your storage system. There are some prerequisites for this tutorial. They are Data on Tap Simulator configured and running, Windows Server 2008 R2, and NetApp System Manager installer, as well as the PuTTY client. Okay, so first we're going to want to install the NetApp System Manager. All the options are just the default. So now that's finished, we can move on to running the program. Once the program loads, you're going to want to click the Add button. This is now going to prompt you to enter the host name or the IP address of your Data on Tap simulator. Now click Add, and it should show up at the top of the list. Here is mine. Now you're going to want to right click, click Login, and then enter the username and the password for your Data on Tap simulator. Once you're finally logged in, you should be greeted with a screen that looks something similar to this. Now I will quickly go through all the options on the sidebar that are available. Quickly show you my volumes that I have. These I've previously created. Next, we are going to want to access the Data on Tap via command line interface. We are going to use PuTTY for this. When you open PuTTY, enter your IP address for your Data on Tap simulator and then click SSH, then open. Now enter in your login as well as your password for your Data on Tap simulator. Once you have done that, you should now see the name of your Data on Tap simulator in the command line like this. Now I can show you some of the commands which are useful. First off is the help command. What this does is show all of the available commands that are enterable. Another command which is useful is the priv command. Using this combined with set advanced, it will allow you to now see all of the advanced settings. As you can see, when I run the disk command, it will show more settings than when I change it back to normal. I can do this by running the priv set admin command. Now when I run the disk command again, it shows that there are significantly less settings available than before. Another command is license. This command is used to show all of the licenses and whether they're licensed or not licensed. As you can see, there are quite a few of them. When the options command is used, it lists all of the available options for the Data on Tap system. If you're ever unsure on what a command does, if you enter the word man and then the command, it will then bring up a synopsis and a description about what that command does. This is very handy for when you're unsure or confused on what a command does. To see a specific option, first type options and then which option you would like to see in detail. As you can see here, I have gone for SSH. Now I can see all of the settings. Another example is Telnet. This now shows all the settings for Telnet. Now I will show you how easy it is to change the settings on an option. For this example, I'm going to use SNMP. I'm now going to disable SNMP. This is very easy just by typing enable space off. That will now turn off SNMP. As you can see, when I run this command, it now shows it being turned off. This final command I will be showing you will show you the configuration of your data on tap. For a more advanced version of this, type in sysconfig -A. This comes to the end of my tutorial. Thank you for watching. I hope you learnt something. Bye!